Welcome, my friends, to this energizing Taste of Yin yoga practice. My name is Joelle, and we'll start right away in child's pose by bringing the big toes together, the knees out wide. And rather than walking the hands down the center, walk them over towards the right, so that you're kind of facing down your right knee. And it might even feel nice to rest the left hand on top of the right, feeling a gentle opening all down your left side. So because this is a Taste of Yin yoga practice, we'll be holding poses a little bit less time than we would in a traditional Yin yoga class, but enough time to energize the body and really come into connection with yourself. So in all of our postures today, I encourage you to softly close the eyes and inhale and exhale deeply through your nose, maybe making your exhales just a little bit longer than the inhales. Letting go of any tension and inviting energy and light and life in with your breath. Beautiful. Let's begin to walk the hands through center over towards your left side now. Perhaps placing right hand on top of left. Perhaps noticing right away if this second side feels like a different experience. In the side body, the shoulder, the lower back. Just allow the sensation to be whatever it needs to be for you here and now. Inviting energy in with your inhales and letting go of tension with your long, deep exhales. And let's return the hands towards center and gently walk ourselves back up, straightening the spine. Pulling the knees back in towards one another. Rolling the shoulders back. And place the fingertips behind you to see if you can lift the knees. We won't be here quite as long, stretching through the tops of the feet and the ankles. Energizing those lower legs. And think about lifting the heart up towards the sky, growing taller here. And this is one of those postures that for many of us will feel very intense. And in Yin Yoga, we just allow ourselves to feel whatever it is we need to feel in this moment. Knowing that everything does come to an end. And appreciating these moments for what they are. And let's softly bring the knees back down towards the mat. Finding our way to hands and knees, hips over knees, maybe tapping out the tops of the feet a little bit. Shaking the hips from side to side. And we'll come towards melting heart pose by walking the hands out in front of you, sinking the forehead in the direction of the mat. You might like to keep the elbows raised or let them release down. Letting the upper body be heavy here as you hold the posture and simply breathe. And when you're ready, let's start to walk the hands back, making our way back to an all fours position for a few rounds of cat and cow, inhaling to arch the back, exhaling to round, releasing the head and neck. And again, inhale, lifting tailbone and crown of the head up. And exhale to round. And one final time, arching back. And exhale, doming through the upper spine. Beautiful. We'll sit down now towards the right of your legs with both knees bent and the feet back towards your left hip, and take a gentle twist to the right. So you can rest the left hand on your right knee, propping the right hand up on fingertips behind you. And you might like to look over the right shoulder, crown of the head still reaching for the sky. And this is a great opportunity to come back to the breath. Twisting poses like this one can be very energizing. They give us the chance to wring out any tension, anything that no longer serves us. So again, extending through those exhales, making them just that tiny bit longer than the inhales as we hold the pose together. And let's bring the upper body back through center. We'll simply lift the hips up so that we can shift them over towards the other side, sitting down to the left of your legs. Placing the right hand to the left knee, left hand behind you, as you twist to look over the left shoulder. You're welcome to make any adjustments in the position of the legs, maybe increasing or decreasing the bend in your knees. Maybe after a few breaths you find that the body is willing to twist a little bit further. Let's take about 5 more deep breaths here, in and out. And again, returning the upper body to center. Come into any seated position that is comfortable for you, swaying the upper body a few times from side to side, settling the shoulders back and down, resting the hands anywhere you'd like. And close the eyes, a few more deep breaths here to observe how the body is feeling, how the energy is flowing. And together, let's inhale the arms up towards the sky, exhale them down to heart center. And I'm so glad you joined me today for this Taste of Yin yoga practice. I would love to know if you enjoyed it. I do have several other short Yin yoga practices like this one that I will link below. And I do hope to see you subscribe to my channel so that you can join me for future practices. Have a beautiful day, everyone.